All paid courses are trash. Yes, I said so. They're just after your money. They just want to get the money off you, not because they are really interested in your journey. I've paid a course where the creator totally blocked every one of us from reaching out to him. They tell you, oh, we are going to do this, we are going to share this with you, we are going to give you heaven on earth. If you've ever felt like you wasted money on a course, then this video is for you. Hi there, I am Debbie, a full-time content creator, a course creator, and also someone who has had her own share in paid courses. A paid course can either be a scam or a shortcut, depending on one thing: you. There are so many reasons why a lot of people don't pay for courses, either because they believe they are not effective, or they are not working, or it's just a waste of time and all of that. Give you a little breakdown why people think courses are scams. First, some courses overpromise and underdeliver. They tell you, oh, we are going to do this, we are going to share this with you, we are going to give you heaven on earth, just for you to register, and then they under deliver. It's just like an example of what I ordered versus what I got. Creators come and tell you so many things you're going to benefit from the course and all, just for you to register for the course, and you're seeing something totally different. So yes, a lot of courses overpromise and underdeliver from their own end. So yes, it makes paid courses look like a scam. The second reason why people believe paid courses are scams are because some creators are only interested in your money. They just want your money. They are not really interested in your growth or your journey. I've paid a course where the creator totally blocked every one of us from reaching out to him. You can imagine a class with over 500 students, and each student paid nothing less than 10,000 naira for the course. And immediately we were done with the course, apart from the fact that he under delivered, the guy totally zoomed out on us. Like, he just blocked everybody. He changed I don't know if he changed his number, but we couldn't reach the guy. So yes, a lot people like this make paid courses look like they are scams, like they are just after your money. They just want to get the money off you, not because they are really interested in your journey. But ideally, it's not supposed to be so. The third reason why a lot of people believe paid courses are scams are because when they register or get certain courses, they instantly expect magic to happen. Oh, I just got this course. Oh my god, I spent this so amount of money to pay for this course, so I should be having this result, I should be doing this, I should be doing that, forgetting that there's actually a part they need to play for this course to be effective, for this course, for them to start seeing results. I've paid for so many courses. Some I finished, some I don't even remember. There were some courses that I was active, I was engaged, I was all in, and I really saw results. So all of these things just run down to one thing: you. You are the reason why some of those courses don't work for you. A good course is just like a roadmap to show you the way. It's just like holding your hands and telling you, okay, this is what you should do, this is what you shouldn't do. Try this method because it has worked for the creator, and maybe because that course has brought out results in so many people's lives. A good course should be able to teach you strategy, tools, show you shortcuts. But one thing a good course cannot teach you, no matter how good a course is, it cannot teach you consistency. It cannot teach you discipline. Those are things you need to do on your own. Reading materials or watching lessons will not equate to practical. Information does not lead to transformation. Implementation does. So you don't just expect certain things to happen because you paid the course if you're not willing to apply, if you're not ready to put in the work, if you're not ready to do those things. There is no way it's going to work. All of these things just point out to you. The second truth about getting a course is setting a goal. Why are you getting this course? Why do you want to get this course? What do you think this course can do for you? Are you just getting it because of the things the creator said you're going to benefit, or because you've seen testimonials and you've seen people? What exactly is that course going to do for you if you get that course? You need to be specific. You need to know reasons why you are interested or why you are getting that course. Ask questions. Ask the people who have taken the course before. Ask the creator. Just make inquiries before you jump into getting some courses. Engage in activities on the group. Treat it like school or education, not just entertainment or something to just while away time. Don't binge. Learn, pause, and implement. There's a particular course I got sometime in February, and God knows how many times I've watched those videos. In fact, it's just like the more you keep watching those videos or those materials, the more you keep seeing things that maybe you had not paid attention to. So it's just because you got a course and you just went through the material once doesn't mean it will work. You have to try. Don't binge at all. It's your money. Make sure you get the most out of that investment, because every resources or everything you went ahead to pay for, it's a sign of investment. Learn. As you're learning, you pause and then you implement. Join a community of creators, join a community of writers, join a community of entertainers, any community that does or portrays a certain image or aspect of what you're interested in. Don't stop yourself from joining. Which leads me to this part. If you're a creator or intending creator and maybe you don't have a community to join, I have a free community on WhatsApp where you can learn. We drop daily insights, we share stuffs that can help you as a creator. So if you're interested, drop the word interested in the comment section and I will do well to make sure you're added in the community on WhatsApp. You have like-minded people in the same space. You can ask questions, you can ask for reviews, you can do so many things. Basically, they are all there. They are all people like you who can help you and make your journey easy. So here are my final thoughts. Paid courses are not trash. You just have to deal with your own trash, which is laziness, procrastination, excuses, unrealistic expectations, and all. If you're really ready to grow as a creator, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around because we actually share content that work in this space. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.